All right, we're so excited for this next segment. We are joined by our favorite holistic vet, Dr. Gina Queston. Dr. Q is one of the best vets in our state and works with all sorts of animals and medicine, surgery, holistic alternatives, and so much more.
And she is just a wealth of knowledge. She educates us on all things animal care. And today we're actually going to be talking about plant-based diets for our pets. But Dr. Q and your daughter Zen, thank you so much for coming in, for sponsoring this segment.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. First, let's touch on who all is here, because we have a whole zoo here with us today.
We do. We have the menagerie. We have Wasabi and Mochi and Treasure and
so stinky.
Mr. Wonderful. So stinky. His name
Depending on the day.
Yeah, depending on the day. Exactly. Yes, exactly.
I love it. Oh my gosh, so much fun. Okay, we have to talk about something coming up called Veg Fest.
Yeah.
Tell me all about this. What is it all about?
So the Veg Fest is sort of the Denver, Colorado's really premier collection of vegetarian and vegan interests. Yes, he approves. He likes the sound of that. So it's lectures about health and nutrition and supplements and all kinds of things like that. And they've invited me to come and speak this year because I'm one of the few veterinarians that, if you happen to be so inclined and you want to also feed your pet that kind of a diet, I can be supportive of the clients that are interested in that. And so I'm going to go and talk to, it's not for everyone, but for the people that do want to do that, I can be a resource for them to help them make sure that they do it correctly.
I think that's so interesting. And why is that important for you to offer?
I think it's important to offer because in some respects, I don't know how much sense it makes to spend your entire career learning how to heal animals, and then on the other hand, advocating killing them to eat them, right? And so to me, those two things don't really coincide too well. And so again, I realize a lot of my clients feed whatever, Pro Plan, raw food diets. I'm here to support all of our clients in whatever way they feel best is for their pet. But for some of my allergy patients, chronic allergies, cancer, mitochondrial disease, other kinds of things that are very hard to diagnose and treat, I have really good success often using a plant-based diet with our pets as well.
You're like Wonder Woman.
I know. And I also love that you work with literally all types of pets. I mean,
literally all kinds of
so
Just
cool.
look at what we have today.
Yeah, I want to talk about something else coming up. It's patio season, everyone's outside. You're doing something called How to Restaurant Patio Train Your Dog Session, which is so smart. Tell me about this.
Well, the thing is that most people that need that kind of training are not coming to my class, to be honest with you. So that's kind of that part's not working out too well. But it is becoming a great place for lots of people with reactive dogs that do have trouble just being still in a public setting, unlike these guys, luckily. So it's really become a really more of a fun gathering where we all come with our reactive dogs that kind of get too excited about the other dogs. And we just practice having some self-control around the patio setting. And so it's been really, really fun. It maybe not so much patio training, but really helping these dogs that are overreactive to other dogs learn to just be calm.
Take a chill pill.
Yes.
Zen, what do you do? How do you help your mom with all this? You look like the rooster handler right now.
Yes, she is.
I really try to, of course, she sometimes gets her hands full. I'm not as great as you, but, I'm kind of the backup person. If somebody's saying, with especially patio polite dog training, sometimes they have a reactive of going like, no, 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 and pulling their dog. And so I kind of just help reinforce that we're trying to, really stay positive. And I kind of have a goal where every single time you say no, you have to say yes 3 times to kind of make that more of a positive thing and make up for you saying no or or anything like that.
I taught you good. You guys are a dream duo over here.
She's very helpful in the training class. Very helpful.
Thank you. That is awesome. And real quick as we wrap up, what are you both looking forward to this summer?
Just continuing to do the positive reinforcement train the trainer program that I've been doing all summer, which has been super fun. We've been teaching the horses some really fun things. Got some videos coming of one of our horses that we've taught to pick up a feed pan and hand it to us. And another horse is starting to do some tetherball. And then the other one, we are teaching him to pick up a hula hoop and throw it over a cone. So just super fun games like that. And so I'm just really looking forward to seeing, at the end of the summer, what we've been able to train everybody to do.
That's awesome.
I love that. And I think you're going to to bring your horses in a little bit,
Yes,
right?
I am.
In a few
We're
planning
weeks.
on
Yeah,
it,
we
yes.
are looking forward to that. Thank you both for coming in with your crew.
Thank you for
We're going to
having
give people
us.
some more information if they want to check you out. So for more information about Aspen Park Vet Hospital, go to drqnu.org or rescueranch.org. You can also check out Dr. Q's YouTube channel called The One Dr. Q, or just give her a call. The number is 303-838-3771. And thanks again to Aspen Park Vet Hospital and the Rescue Ranch for sponsoring this segment.